Hello, what's up guys? Here is Cryptos, where we help new beginners traders succeed in the financial market. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use future derivatives trade signals to place a trade on your Pionex app. So right now, let's go to our Pionex app. Here is your Pionex app. You click on it. Once you click on your Pionex app, this is your home page of your Pionex app if you have an account with Pionex app. But if you're watching this video and you don't have an account with Pionex, no worries, there will be a link in the description below where you can create your account and get a discount for doing that. There will also be a link in the description below to our free Telegram trade signal channel where we share trade signals every single day. Right now, for this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use future trade signals on buy. So right now, let's click on our futures. Alright, if you click on your futures, this is what you'll be seeing. This is how it will look like. Now let's go to our Telegram channel where the signal has been dropped. Right here is our Telegram channel where the signal has been dropped. Direction long, crypto pair, FTM USD. So let's go back to our Pionex app and search for our crypto pair. So right here on your Pionex app, if you want to search for any crypto pair, you click right here. Once you click on it, you click right here too. Type in. Here's your FTM USDT, you click on it. Alright, once you click on it, this is what you'll be seeing. This is how it's going to look like. So right now, let's go back to our Telegram channel. On our Telegram channel, our leverage is 1x to 3x leverage. Be a good trader by risking less than 1% of your capital. So let's go back to our Pionex app and set our leverage. So on our Pionex app here, if you want to set your leverage, you click right here. You change your leverage to 3x. You click confirm. So also where it's showing cross here, you click on it. If it's on cross, you change it to isolated because isolated is the recommended margin for new beginners traders. So right now, let's go back to our Telegram channel. On our Telegram channel, our entry price zone. Entry 1 risky, entry 2 moderate, entry 3 safer. So right now, let's go with the entry 3, which is safer. Right here where it's showing quantity, you select the quantity of FTM USDT you need. So right now let's go with 27%. Our take profit, always remember to set your take profit. Alright, if you are still watching this video, this is Cryptos where we help new beginners traders succeed in the financial market, and also we share free trade signals on our free Telegram channel every single day. Link will be in the description below. And also, if you're watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified each time we post a video like this. Thank you. So on our take profit zone, take profit one, which is safer. Let's go with the safer for the essence of this video. But you can decide to choose any of the take profit you want, whichever one you're comfortable with. But for the essence of this video, let's go with the safer. Our stop loss, always remember to set your stop loss too because that is your defensive zone. You check everything. If everything is okay, let's go back to our Telegram channel. Our risks, if this trade hits stop loss, you will lose 25% of the amount you are using for this trade. That means if this trade hits stop loss, if you're using $1, you will lose 25% of your $1. So you check if everything is okay, if you are okay with it. You check if you are okay with it. You click on buy. You also check, then you click confirm. your order will be rating white here because the order price you placed on this trade has not been triggered. Once the order price you placed on this trade triggers, the trade will trigger immediately, but right now your order will be waiting right here. This is how to place a buy position on your Pionex app, and also this is how to use future derivatives trade signals on your Pionex app. If you're still watching this video, this is Encryptos, where we help you beginners traders succeed in the financial market. And if you're watching this video, you don't have an account with Pionex, no worries, there will be a link in the description below where you can create your account and get a discount for doing that. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit on that notification button so you will be notified each time we post an important video like this.